Hi guys, today I'm really excited to make this video because I found a new app in the App Store called Unity, which gives access to accessing the files from your PC or your laptop. Yeah, this is a cool way to access your PC files or laptop files or even the music, everything you can access from your personal computer or laptop. I know there's a lot of apps available in the app stores called TeamViewer or any other like, but that app only allows you to control your PC, not to access the files. So it can only control your PC, I mean like mouse, keyboard, like that. But this app lets you to access those files from your PC and the computer. So you need to download this app in your mobile as well as in computer. So for computer I will give a description, I mean a link in my description. So go ahead and just log in to their account using a Facebook or your Gmail ID, and you can download it. So in the app store you have to find it Unity. Let me guess. So go to the app store and in the search bar type Unity. Wait a second. Yeah, so go to the search bar and UIOU Unity. Yeah, Unity Home Media, this one, Unity Home Media Server. It's really cool and amazing app, guys, really. So let's go ahead and start it. So this doesn't work until and unless you have downloaded in the PC. So first go ahead and download in PC and then download it for your iPhone or any iOS devices. So yeah, let me turn off my Wi-Fi. So launch the app. At first it will ask you to sign in for your from your account. So you have to sign in with the exact same ID what you have given for the PC. So better sign in with your Facebook account, so it's really easy and very fast. So once you got to the app, so there are two things here. One, it's free, you can use, but if you upgrade it to the pro, then you can download those files to your to your mobile, so that you can view those files whenever you are not connected to your home network. And to this app to work, your mobile and your personal computer or laptop should be connected to the same network if you are not upgraded to the pro version. So but if you are upgraded to the pro version, then you can access it without connecting it to the home or same network. I think you get my point, right? Yeah. Okay, so if you didn't, please leave a comment to me, I will explain it to you in detail. So right now my as you can see, I'm running a data LTE network in my mobile, but my PC is connected to my home Wi-Fi. So it says, see, available on remote, it says some I mark saying that its LAN is not connected to my network or mobile. So when I, in this case, you can see the files but you cannot you can see the file, you can access the file, but you cannot view the files. See, like when I go to the movies, okay, there's nothing. Yeah, see, these are my videos, or these are my YouTube videos that I uploaded in my previous one, and also some movies. So when you try to access this, it says upgrade to premium. That because you are the home Wi-Fi, my mobile and my personal computer is not connected to the same network. So if you upgrade to the premium version, then then it can happen. So when I connect to my home network, then you go to settings, and as you can see, now it's a right mark. Okay, see, now it's saying right mark. That means that my device, my iDevice and my personal computer is in the same network. So at now if you go to movies, sorry, in all videos, so now it's saying downloading metadata from my desktop. That is my desktop. So now you can view, access the files. So these are the files that I am in my computer, in certain folder. So this is my latest video that I still uploaded it. So these are my previous, okay, sorry, sometimes it get error, sometimes it doesn't. Don't worry about that. It's not in, I think it's not, yeah, Comic Con. Okay, there's some connection problem in my home network, but don't worry, it will play for you guys, don't worry. See, is it resume playing or start from the beginning? If I resume start, if I resume playing, it will my play. It takes some time, guys, but definitely it will work for your iDevices, so don't worry. Okay, so there's something error in my home network, but definitely don't worry, it will play for you. If not, please leave a comment for me and I will make sure it how to, I will tell you how to do exactly like that. So okay, this is a network error in my home Wi-Fi, so that's why it's not playing.
My name is Oliver Queen. After 5 years in hell, I
Arrow
returned home with only
is
one
playing
goal,
for me, but
to
you
save
see
my
it's in
city.
my
Today
personal
I fight
computer,
that
so
war
it's
on two
playing for me
fronts.
now.
By day,
See, so yeah, that's it. So not only videos, you can access your music files if I have any in my PC. So let me check that. Yep, there you go. There are some. So this is a title track of Narcos. So that's it, and this is my Joker ringtone. I'm not sure whether it will play or not because it's not. I think it's not in my PC. Yeah. So yeah. So if you upgrade it to the pro version, then you can download those files. So that you can view those files when you are not connected to your home network. So, yeah. So that's it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video as much as you can. So I will be back again with more videos. So until then, see you guys. Bye bye.